In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates. So at first you need to open list of all apps, then locate and go to the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Tablet. Here you need to enter software info and now just tap 7 times on build number to activate developer mode. And as you can see, from now on, developer mode is active, so we can go back to previous screen and one more time. And from now on, at the bottom of settings list, you will notice developer options. Just click to open. And now scroll a bit lower. Here you will notice auto update. And if you'd like to activate this feature, if you want your updates to be applied automatically once your tablet restarts, just tap here to activate it. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.